Now be careful about question. IMP question. यार નથી ચાલતી બીજી આપો. IMP question. There are two dice, black and red. Two dice, black and red. Black having 5. It is given that then both having addition is 9. Both having addition is 9. Given that that means if given that given that के जो आगे वाला होता है ना, given that के आगे वाला 5 digit 5 given that sum is 9. Okay, એટલે given that ની left hand side ઉપરનો જે event હોય ને it is say A and right hand side it is say event B. જ્યારે પણ તમને આવું આપ્યું ને, जब भी हमको दिया होता है कि given that, तो उसके आगे वाले को ले लो, पीछे वाले को क्या ले लो, B. Okay, A means digit on die is 5. Digit on die is 5. चलो digit on die is 5 तो कितना था possibilities? बोलो digit on die is 5. N is equal to 36 because there are two dice. Okay, that's the first one is 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-4, 5-5 and 5-6. Okay, digit on black die, digit on black die is 5. એટલે black die ઉપર 5 જ આવવા જોઈએ. બીજી ડાઈ આપણે જોવાની નથી, બીજી ડાઈ ઉપર ગમે તે આવે એ નહીં જોવાનું. Okay, we have to see only black die. Black die is the first one, it has a 5. second one ઉપર ગમે તે આવે આપણે નહીં જોવું. second one ઉપર કેટલા આવી શકે? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Are you understand students? Please. Okay, now there are 6 members. That's why P of A equal to 6 by 36 because 2 dice toss. When 2 dice toss, that means it has a 36 members. Now B, sum is 9. Sum is 9. चलो sum is 9 वाला कितना कितना है ये पहला जुओ. 3 6. Okay, 4 5, 5 4 and 6 3. Is that clear? There are 4 members. Therefore probability B is equal to R by N. R equal to 4, N equal to 36. This is conditional probability because given that word is given. When given that word is given, that it is indicating this is a conditional probability. A and B, that means B oblique A. We have to find out B oblique A. B oblique A means what is the formula of B oblique A? P of B intersection A upon P of A. Now I want to find out A intersection of B. A intersection of B is 5 1 is not given, 5 2 is not given, 5 3 is not given, 5 4, yes, 5 4 is a one member, 5 5 is not a common, 5 6 is not a common. That means only one member is common and it is 5 4. Therefore A intersection B has only one element. That's why its probability is 1 by 36. Now I want to find out P of B oblique A. P of B oblique A equal to P of B intersection A upon P of A. P of B intersection A equal to 1 by 36 and P of A equal to 6 by 36. 36 cancel. It is 1 by 6. Okay. Now, what is the interpretation of this probability? Now, interpretation of this probability is, if when we can select a black die as a 5 digit on it, when we can select a black die which has a 5 on a die, then addition, otherwise sum of the both die, it is 9. That means it has probability 1/6. આનો બીજો અર્થ પણ એવો થાય કે જો તમે 6 વખત બ્લેક ડાઈ ઉપર 5 જુઓ છો, when you see a 6 time a black die having 5, among only one time there is a sum is 9. Among only one time sum is a 9. Okay, now second one is B. B is very simple. If red die having less than 4, red die having less than 4, given that then sum is 8. Okay, red die less than 4, say A, and this is say B. A is equal to red die having less than 4 number. Therefore, A is equal to 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. First one is a red and second one is a black. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, up to 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. There are 18 members. Therefore, P of A equal to 18/36. Now B, event B having sum is 8. Okay, sum is 8. Therefore, B is equal to 2 6 3 5 4 4. First one is red, second one is black. 5 4, 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3, 5 3, and 6 2. There are 1 2 3 4 5 members. U of B equal to 5/36. Okay. Now let A intersection B. A intersection 2 6. Yes, 2 6, 3 5, 4 4 is not outcome. 5 3 is not outcome because it is more than 4. 6 2 is not outcome. It means only 2 members. 2 6, 3 5. Therefore, P of A intersection B equal to 2/36. Therefore, required probability equal to P B oblique A equal to P of B intersection A upon P of A. B intersection A equal to 2/36, and A means 18/36. 36 cancel. Therefore, 1/9. Now, interpretation of this one, when we get a 9 members, sorry, when we get 9 members on red die, less than 4 among one having sum is 8. Okay,